The time has come.
Wait no more, everybody. The Cobra content is finally here. I actually got a warranty with the
Parts, so the 5th gear and the reverse rebuild kit. What happened with the initial rebuild kit, they have no idea. They have no idea why it was popping out of 5th, but they obviously got replacements immediately from Tremec, and they threw those in, and for some reason, it's working perfectly fine now.
It's in desperate need of a wash. It's in desperate need of some aftermarket headlights, an exhaust system, an X-pipe, coilovers, new tires.
Guys, it's about to go down.
And it's sitting right next to this pretty nice looking C4 Corvette. I really like these. When I was a kid, the C4 was actually my favorite Corvette. Look at this. Time traveling back to 1997. No 5th gear sign is still intact.
I will have t-shirts very shortly. Although it's about 100 degrees here today in Rockland, California.
I'm gonna give you guys a cold start. I mean, not really a cold start, but a cold start.
And no, I still don't have plates. Like I just told you guys in my last video with the Type R, I am going to end up registering this in California. But until then, hopefully I just don't get pulled over. I don't know what to say.
Go.
For a stock exhaust that actually rumbles pretty nicely, I like it. Let's go. Oh God. Going from the Type R to this, gonna have to relearn it every single time I switch. You know what, let's see if there's any washer fluid in here. How the heck do I even do this? How the hell do I turn the washers on? Okay, I guess that's not happening. Wow, this actually shifts pretty well, guys. It feels good. The clutch is very strong. One thing I need to get ASAP when I get paid on the 21st from YouTube is a set of Michelin Pilot Sport 4s. I don't think I'm going to have this car long enough to where I would see a benefit from getting some really wide wheels and really wide tires. And I'm not gonna make that much power. I am gonna do a full bolt-on build, so I'm gonna get the JLT cold air intake, which actually is carb legal, so I'll be able to leave that on when I sell it. Obviously, I'm going to get an X-pipe. I don't know exactly which one yet. And then some sort of exhaust system or mufflers. And then maybe, just maybe, I will get either 373 or 410 gears. That'll make this thing a lot more peppy. Oh yeah, it's getting cold. Look at that, guys. Original AC compressor from 1997 still kicks. It's been about 5 minutes since I last stopped recording. I'll tell you what, the AC blows super cold, and also this thing needs brakes ASAP. The brakes are not very strong at all. But wow. Oh my God, it feels so good to be back in a V8, guys. Man, 1997, huh? This is the best they could do in 97. All right then. I wonder if that WRX would be a good race or not, because that's also a 5-speed. Here we go. I'm about to get on the highway, and since I bought this car on May 7th, it's been over a month since I last saw this, right? So I haven't put this thing into 5th gear successfully since May 7th. I'm kind of nervous, to be honest. Oh my God, I love that sound. Yes. All right, let's try 5th. Goes in a 5th. That felt pretty good. 60 miles an hour, I'm in 5th gear at around 1900 RPM. Here we are a couple minutes later. I'm going about 72 miles an hour, 2200 RPM, and this thing is purring. Feels good. The first thing that makes me nervous is the brakes. Brakes and the tires, right? So 2 things. Third thing is the steering is a little wobbly. I'm not exactly sure why. But like I said, I'm gonna bring this to the highest rated shop in the area, and I'm gonna have them just do a basic tune-up. See, I'm really scared to downshift. The last time I downshifted this car, it went crunch kaboom. Okay, let's roll into second gear. I'm not gonna floor it. I mean, it's 100 degrees with old fluids, but I'm gonna roll the window down just for the hell of it. Ooh. All right. Yeah. It is nowhere near as quick as my C5 Corvette I used to have. The real OGs will remember my C5 Corvette. I don't even know if any of those subscribers from, let's say, August, September 2019 are still watching today. Oh, shut up. I love that little Cobra right there in the bumper. That's so cool. The other car that I'm dying to get, which I've mentioned a few times, is a 1990 to 1992 Ford Probe GT. It used a Mazda F2T 2.2 liter turbo engine. For its time, it was a pretty quick car, and I think they're super cool. They're super rare. I will get one of those one day, and I will bring it to the channel. But anyway, my point of that whole rant was that it also had GT etched into the bumper here, or like molded in. I like that. Yeah, take a look at these tires, guys. Oh my god, they're cracking. That's not good. I'll see if I can get the swirls on camera. Oh yeah, you can see them right there. This whole thing is covered in swirls. Oh my god, that's bad. So we're finally back in business. This is a good feeling, it really is. I mean, the quality of this car, any car from the 90s, it's not going to be anywhere near things like my Civic Type R or any other new car really, but it's still just so cool. I didn't buy it because it's a modern, super fast driving machine. I bought it because it's different and it's cool. And there's not a lot of content on YouTube with this car. I mean, Chris Fix has an Sn95 Mustang, but it's a GT. Chris Fix actually has been making my freaking day, dude. He has been liking some of my pictures with the Mustang, and he also commented on one of my pictures. I mean, super nice guy. The guy has over 6 million subscribers on YouTube, and he goes and likes some of my pictures on Instagram? That's crazy. That's crazy. You don't see that behavior a lot with those bigger YouTubers. And that's one thing that I always want to make sure that I stay true to is responding to people's DMs, reading and responding as many comments as I can on YouTube, and just being personal. It seems like a lot of the bigger YouTubers, they lose that pretty quickly. It gets to their head. But I swear to God, I will not let that happen to me. Oh, those swirls are terrible. Holy crap. Yeah, before the tires, it's gonna need a paint correction. Big time. Good thing is, Ford's paint is actually not that bad, guys. Well, there's too much dirt to feel it now, but when I picked this up, I mean, there is a lot of clear coat on this. I mean, if you looked at like a 1997 Toyota or Honda or, I don't know, Subaru, the paint is going to be absolutely terrible. But this still pops. Yes, there are swirls, but those can be taken out pretty easily. All right, real quick, I'm gonna make sure it goes into reverse. I'm pretty nervous about this. We'll see what happens. And in case you guys are wondering, the whole entire reason that I got this car, well, there's several reasons, but number one, it's just not a lot of content on YouTube with it, and I saw an opening. And the second reason, the most important reason to me, is I want to grow my channel as much as possible. So I've had 4 Hondas on my channel so far, so this will give me a chance to get some different types of content on my channel, which I've been longing for, and I hope a lot of you guys appreciate that. One last thing before we drive this home. The blinkers and the hazard lights do not work. So I'll show you guys in the car, but it just doesn't work at all. I actually noticed that at the same exact time the transmission situation happened on May 7th. So I have no idea what the heck happened. Some sort of crazy electrical surge or who knows, but I'll get that fixed too. Okay, now I just have to make it another 12 minutes back home. Okay. It's an older car, it's okay. It's an older car, it's okay. Let's go. Okay, all right. Oh, around 4,000 RPM, I had this energy that came over me and I floored it. It felt really strong. Let's try a downshift to 3rd. So I'm actually getting some messages right now from Isaac with the Mazda Speed 3. He wants me to go to a car meet tonight, but this is the 3rd video I have recorded today. So I need to go home and edit. Yeah, see, I just put the blinker on, it didn't work. Look, I'll put it on left. Nothing. Nothing. Hazard lights. Not a single thing. Yes. Yes. Oh my God, I'm gonna have so much fun with this. Okay, it goes in a 5th pretty well. I'm feeling a little better. I'm still gonna be nice to it until I mean, I have completely, you know, between the excise tax, purchasing the Titan 7 TS5 wheels for the Type R, and just paying $1,824 to get this fixed, I have completely depleted my business account. So until I get, you know, some more paychecks from YouTube rolling in, I'm gonna be kind of nice to this. I'm gonna be careful at least. Let me know if you guys would like to see a video on how much I make on YouTube. I know I've mentioned that several times, but I've gotten a decent amount of interest, but not overwhelming interest for me to make that video. So if you guys want a deep dive into the YouTube analytics and how much I make per video and stuff like that, I'm more than willing to make that happen for you. I think it would be a very beneficial educational video for a lot of people who may be thinking of starting up a channel and, you know, trying to figure out if it's worth it or not. I can definitely explain my strategy for how I got monetized and how I separated YouTube into a business LLC so that I don't use any of my military income for that. I do feel pretty cool driving this car, but I would feel a lot cooler if it had good tires and brakes that work. One time, I had a 2006 Scion TC, and I had had it for about 5 years, never replaced the brakes, right? I was driving in Portland, Maine, and it's a very like up and down sort of city. I was coming down this big hill, and I had no brakes on the car, okay? It was basically metal on metal. And I had no choice but to run a red light because I would not be able to have like stopped in time. And I ended up getting pulled over, and I got my first ticket ever. It's so quiet. Let me know if you guys would like to see me get a MagnaFlow Catback exhaust, or if you'd like to see me weld on some Flowmaster mufflers with my friend Jordan. Oh my God, these brakes are bad. Yep, I'll get used to it. I'll get used to it. There she is. Let's go see what Vivian thinks. She's gonna freak out when I tell her that it doesn't have any brakes. Oh, what do we got going on in here? All right. I'll see you later. I hope I don't get demonetized for that. Babe, turn it off. Look at you. Vivian is sitting on the couch, playing Call of Duty, listening to... crap, I forget the band name. So, the car has like no brakes. It has like no brakes. And you're gonna have to speak up.
I know, let's turn it down. What do you mean it has no brakes?
Like, I go to press the brake and like almost nothing happens. How does it make you feel?
It's stressful.
You have to speak up!
It's stressful!
You gotta speak up, baby, yeah! Vivian clearly did not like that.
Fucking done.
You gotta speak up too. Speak! Charlie, speak! 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 Art! Art!
Speak.
Charlie, speak!
Speak!
Speak! Okay, hello. Hello. Say hello to the subscribers. Yes, hello, hello, hello. Good girl.
So you're gonna have to replace the brakes.
I'm gonna have to get new brakes. It needs new tires ASAP because the tires are cracked. Good times. But it goes into fifth in reverse.
Are you sure? Like, did you try it more than one time?
Yeah. I did a whole circle in reverse.
Well, this is great.
You just don't like it, huh?
I don't...
Do you wish I would have gotten like a newer car as a second
No. No. I think we knew what we were signing up for. I just didn't think it was gonna take this long to get the car, like, ready.
Yeah.
But it's fine.
Everything's fine. This is the third video I've recorded today. I already told them. I'm exhausted. I have to edit that 2022 Civic Review so I can get it out tomorrow. We're getting married in August.
August 25th.
Mm-hmm.
You're not gonna let me look.
Alright, babe. Tell them thank you for watching and all that type of stuff.
So thanks for watching. And I guess we'll see you guys next time.
Good job, babe.
Are you gonna take a nap? You better fucking not take a nap.
Are you still recording?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna take a nap. I have to edit a video. I have a responsibility to bring content to the people. Come here, Charlie. I wasn't yelling at you, baby. Come here, baby. Yes, Daddy can get a little crazy sometimes. A little fucking crazy. Yes, hello. I gotta bring content to the people. Content to the people, yeah. I gotta bring content to the people.
Please. I've had baristas and chefs screaming in my ear all day.
I gotta bring content to the people. I gotta bring content, yeah.
Okay, I'm done.
To the people.